Hi, boo-boos. Yeah. What was your favorite about the September foot launching Speedflying trip?
Probably launching with the balloons.
Oh my god.
Jared Bonaparte?
My favorite speed flight in the summer was probably flying in the Kupakari off of the launch with all the cool costumes and stuff.
Launching with the costumes off of what I would guess is just mostly a hang gliding launch. Basically a cliff with some brush or some trees down at the bottom that you gotta clear from your feet.
Alright, I'm here with Dave Hebert.
Got to go to the Kupakari, which probably was the highlight, maybe even of my flying career. So much fun. French culture, music, festival, Chinese lanterns, good food, good music, beautiful scenery. It kind of has it all there. Big crowds of people watching us launch off the launch at the Kupakari.
Voilà, alors vous pouvez remarquer qu'avec les mini-voiles, en fait, ça plonge une fois la sortie du décollage ayant lieu. Et on va corriger légèrement sur cette droite. Ouais.
Bon, pour le 217.
The reason that one like really sticks in my memory was because I got stuck behind this giant pterodactyl coming in for landing. I was just getting the worst wake. And I landed so far off from everyone else because of it, but I was still having fun.
My name is Bonnie, and I just wanted to elaborate on the festival in France, Kupakari, because I feel like all of us mentioned that was our favorite flight, but just the whole experience was amazing, from the cog train going up the mountain to the views from the cliffs, hiking up and flying off the top by the cross was really cool, and then just seeing all the tons of people and different types of flying, being on the cliff and watching the airplanes, all the paragliders and the acro show, the paramotors. It was just all amazing. And St. Hilaire is just beautiful itself. If you haven't been, it's totally a thing that you have to put on your list of things to do. I highly recommend it. This is us preparing to launch during the festival itself, setting up with all the costumes, and Hebert and Jess are launching their Mirages. Jared and I fly the Baby Goose and Mini Goose.
Il y a un message pour le 217. Hein. C'est pour contre la spéculation. Donc ils ont inventé une monnaie.
Another highlight for me was the Chinese lanterns. Lighting those and watching them float up in the sky individually was really cool. And it was a very precise process. You had to try not to let the lantern tip to its side where it would catch fire, kind of like Hebert did.
Verbier is probably my favorite, like all around summer or winter. Like that place is just amazing.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, Lauterbrunnen was amazing. We got to fly off the cliff and just do big nasty spirals all the way down. It was super fun.
Nice.
I would like to spend time in Valfrejus. It's a super fun spot to just get things dialed and kind of work on my technique.
Traveled all over, went to Valfrejus for a week. Makes you want to go back more and more, and we're heading back in March again this year for Speedriding camp at Valfrejus.
Cool.
And yeah, it was amazing. All of it's awesome.
Nice. So this was my third winter going, and I think just seeing the progression over time, because the first year I was so frustrated. The second year I was pretty frustrated, but not nearly as much as the first year, and then by the third year it was more fun. And yeah, it took a while, but like it was definitely, that was what stood out.
Ready? Top down.
Chamonix for a few days, Verbier, Switzerland for a few days. It's hard to really choose my favorite spot, but if I had to pick one to only speed ride again, it would probably be Courmayeur in Italy. 8,500 feet of speed riding bliss with gondola access.
The cheese?
The cheese was really, really good.
The cheese fondue?
The cheese fondue and the chocolate fondue. And then when we went to Verbier, that was incredible. It was super fun.
Did you fly off a cliff?
I kind of fucked up the landing a little bit and shot off the other side.